Text join function can help us concatenate multiple cell values into a single cell, and those values are separated by a delimiter of our choice. For example, here we have ABC, PQR and XYZ in three different cells. We can write text join. We will choose comma as our delimiter. We can keep the second parameter as blank for now. And for our third parameter, we select all the cells we want to concatenate. And finally, we get the concatenated output of these cells separated by comma in a single cell. Here the cells were in different rows. If they were in the same row like this, in this case as well, text join function will work fine.
Let's use unique, sort, filter functions together with text join to solve another scenario. An organization is pitching its products to its clients and wants to analyze who is buying what and what else can be pitched to them. They have the data like this, but instead of showing multiple rows, they want just two columns, the client name and the products that were sold to them. So we should have one row for each client. Before we solve this problem, let's quickly look at text join function. Text join function helps us combine text from multiple ranges or string, and it separates them with a delimiter of our choice. For people who are familiar with SQL, text join is similar to list ag or string ag function. If we apply text join function on our product column with comma as our delimiter, it will return all these products in a single cell separated by comma. Let's write text join. The first parameter is delimiter, which will be comma. We can choose to include or exclude empty cells. Let's include them for now. And finally, we will select the entire product list as our third parameter. And we get the concatenated result of all our product values. You can see we have a blank between these two commas, which is because we do not have any value in this cell. Now let's pair this with our other dynamic array functions to get this output. So first of all, we need to create the unique list of our clients, and we can do this using the unique function. Let's sort this in alphabetical order to match our expected result. Now we know to get these values in a single cell, we will have to use text join function. But if we use text join directly, it will return all the product values. We need to ensure that the values are filtered on the basis of our client. And for that, we will use our filter function. So we will write is equal to text join. The delimiter will be comma. We can keep the empty cells. And now we need to filter our product list based on our client. So for that, we will write filter. We want the list of products as our output array, which will be our first parameter. This second parameter will be a comparison of our client column with this cell value. So we will select client column and we will write equals to this cell value. Make sure your range are fixed because we will be copying this formula to the below cells. Now we have two problems here. The list is not sorted and we have some redundant values. Let's use the sort function to sort our list as per our requirements. This is looking much better. Now all we need to do is select the unique value and we will have our desired result. Let's write unique in front of sort to get the unique values, and we get the result we were looking for. Now we can see that ABC has not bought product 2 while the other two have. So we can pitch them product 2. PQR has not bought product 1, so we can pitch them product 1 and so on. There are a variety of exciting problems that can be solved by combination of these functions. I will drop a couple of them in practice exercises so that you can get a hang of these functions.